be a star. Thought I reached the top, but I'm a little far. Zebras, football, hero, zombie. Gotta make a proud, gotta get the trophy.
It's not quite what I expected. My pagan's got to get reinvented. I'll come back strong, make my dream happen. Next year, I'm gonna be cheer captain. Get up, gotta do better, keep head up. No caving under pressure, gonna break the mold. Reach my goal, and next time I'm gonna go for gold. I won't stop till I'm standing on top. Gonna make that mic drop. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
No matter what it takes,
I'll be making my mark. Gonna shine in the dark. Be the brightest spark. The future's for the taking. We're all legends in the making. I wanted to excel. I'm happy to announce my scientific quest is breaking new ground. Turns out college was my dream come true. Didn't skip one grade, but I did skip two. It's everything I expected. Climb to the top with the best of the best. Right on track, heading in the pack, and I just can't wait to come back. We won't stop till we're standing on top. Gonna make that night drop. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No matter what it takes, we'll be making our mark. Gonna shine in the dark. Be the brightest spark. The future's for the taking. We're all legends in the making.
gonna miss you more than ever.
Gonna feel like it's forever.
This summer would be so much better with you by my side.
Wish we could hit the beach.
Stop all our plans, just running free.
That sounds like a great plan to me. We haven't seen you in eternity.
Should we? Could we? Wish we could be.
That would just be...
Hey, coach.
We won't stop